today we will conduct a first activity which is based on for verifying the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square by paper cutting and pasting. Okay, so this is our objective of this activity, to verify the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b plus 2ab plus b square by paper cutting and pasting. So how we can verify this activity? The meaning of the verify is that we can equalize LHS and RHS. Okay, so pre-knowledge about this activity, that is the concept of calculating area of a square. We should know about the how we can find out the area of the square. Okay, second one, I hope you all of you know about the area of the square. What is the area of the square? Area of the square, side square. Okay. Concept by calculating area of a rectangle. I hope you all of you know the area of rectangle. That is L into B. Very good. Concept of adding algebraic expression. Now after paper cutting, how we can add on that papers? So the activity will verify. Okay. So material required for this activity is sheet of thick chart paper, second is colored paper and geometry box, a pair of scissors, a glue stick. Okay, and one more thing, the demonstration of procedure. I just explain you the demonstration how we can conduct that activity and how we can use the papers, colored paper. Suppose that as you all of you know, so for conducting this activity, what we can do? We just take A equal to, suppose that we can take 6. Okay, and we can take the value of B, that is 2, or we can say that 3. We can take 3. It is your choice, whatever the value you want to take, A or B. Okay, so suppose that we want to cut the paper of square shape. Okay, and as I am mentioning here A square, so as if we will put the value of A and B here, so it will be 6 plus what is the value of B? 3 whole square. It means that square paper we will cut the measurement of 6 centimeter. It is also 6 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter and it is 6 centimeter. So area of this side is square, side is A square means 6 into 6. So what we can find out it? 6 whole square, it will be 36 centimeter square. It means what we will do? We just take a A4 size of sheet by the help of the scale and by the help of the compass, and we can make a square of measurement 6 centimeter, just like it. Okay. Different color paper you can use in this activity. And it is B square. And can you tell me by observing the what is the value of B? 3. So if we will put the value of here, so it will be 3 whole square. And 3 whole square is 9 centimeter square. It means we can again by paper cutting make a square whose measurement is 3 centimeter or different color. Okay. After that, as we are taking the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 3. If here we will put the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 3. 6 multiply 3, 18. So it will be 18 what centimeter. And similarly here A into B. So what is your A into B? That is the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 3. So what we are getting? 18 centimeter. Sir, why are you taking 2A into B, A into B? I just explained to you. Let's see. That 2AB can be write down A square plus KB square plus KB plus KB. So that AB and AB is 2AB. So A square is this one and the B square is this one and AB is this and AB is this. Now after completing that part of paper cutting different color of, then how we can paste it? So for it, what we will do? We can take a A4 white A4 size of sheet. Okay, and now that part you already conducted in RHS part. Now the time of LHS. A is 6, B is 6 and 3, 9 square, 81. So it will be 81. So what we will do now? We can take a sheet of white paper whose side A is 6 and that B is 3. The addition of 6 and 3, 9 centimeters. It means it is square. So we can cut a white sheet of paper in square shape whose measurement 6 and 3, 9 centimeters. अब इसके बाद what we will do? We will cut white color of paper which is a shape of square shape, and the measurement of that square shape 6. The side of this 9 centimeter. Okay, so we can cut the paper of square shape whose measurement is 9 centimeter. Okay, then how we can take this? Okay, let's see how we can take this. We can take the side here 6 centimeter. Just draw it. Okay, it is 6 centimeter. That is your A. Okay. Now how we can construct the rectangle? By making a 90 degree of angle? Yes, sir. Okay. So here we can just make the 90 degree of angle, or you can cut the paper. Okay. It is 60 degree and it is no 120 side of it. So it is your 6 centimeter side of square, 6 whole square. Okay. Here we can mention in this side 6 whole square. It will be 36. And now we have to draw the another what square. It is 3 centimeter. So here we can mention 3 centimeter measurement, and the square of it 3 square is 9. And now we can take 2 sheet of different color. So we can take. So here, as you know, the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 3. So we can make a rectangle whose measurement is length is 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So as we can take the measurement, I am using a scale, but you will form by using protractor or compass. आप प्रोटेक्टर से फॉर्म कर लीजिएगा इन दिस साइड। अब ये रख लीजिए, देखो ये भी 6 सेंटीमीटर है। अब इसको किस तरीके से अरेंज करना है, देखो ये ए स्क्वायर, ठीक है, इट मीन 6 का होल स्क्वायर 36, और इसका एरिया कितना होगा रेक्टेंगल का बेटा 18, ठीक है। और एक और रेक्टेंगल है हमारे पास, वी कैन अरेंज जस्ट लाइक एज। और ये कहाँ पेस्ट करना है हमें, एक वाइट कलर की A4 साइज शीट के स्क्वायर पर। तो उसका मेजरमेंट कितना है 6 and 3 9 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, वन मोर दैट हियर वी कैन अरेंज इट। सो द मेजरमेंट ऑफ ऑल it will be equal. It is a different measurement, so it is not cover the area of it. Whenever you will draw it by measuring accurately by the protractor or by compass, so it will be cover that overall part. So as you observing, it is 36. So देखना this side is 6 and 3 9 and 6 and 3 9 and 6 and 3 9. So it means this colored paper will cover the area of white sheet of square whose measurement is 9 centimeter. Okay, so that will be the part. So it is your 36. Okay, it is your 18 and it is your 18 and it is your 9. Whenever you add, that is 81 is there, 9 square is 81, and now you all of you add 36 and 18 and 18 36, and that is 9. So 36 and 36 72, 72 and 9 81. So that is the LHS equal to RHS or not? As we will conduct that activity. What we learned about this activity? We just learned one more thing, the how we can calculate the area of a square by paper cutting, and how we can find out the area and by rectangle by paper cutting, and then we can arrange by all these paper cutting in the form of like that. Then it will equal to a plus b whole square. A is your 9 and b is your 3. Okay, so that is your activity. Okay, thank you.